Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to the online session once again, my dear students. Today topic is compound words, page number 100. You can find on the top of your page compound words. Compound means more than one, two words. So called compound words. When two words get together to make one word, that's called compound words. So please open your Phonics spelling practice book. First of all, we would look at these 20 compound words that we will use later on in those blank spaces in these sentences. Yourself, bedroom, overdo. So overdo means to do in excess. Railroad, you know railroad, which is used for, that is permanent road. Blindfold, to cover the eyes with something or like a bandage, that's called blindfold. Campfire, fishbowl, clothesline. So clothesline, when you hung your clothes to dry in open sun, it's called clothesline. Snowstorm, bookcase, newborn, overhead, bedspread, undertake, loudspeaker, lookout, waterproof, yardstick, desktop, grandparent. Starting from part A, write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. Sentence number 1, I pulled down the bedspread before getting into bed. So bedspread, that we spread on the bed. Sentence number 2, please get a novel from the bookcase for me. And sentence number 3, her desktop was piled high with papers and books. Piled high means that there are a lot of books and papers on his desktop. Sentence number 4, put on this blindfold and spin and 3 times. So put on this blindfold and spin 3 times. Sentence number 5, it is fun to ride trains on the railroad. It is fun to ride trains on the railroad. Sentence number 6, I heard my name announced on the loudspeaker. So these are compound words: loud and speaker, rail and road, blind and fold. Sentence number 7, we took the dry sheet down from the clothesline. So close in line. Number 8, the lookout tower is my favorite part of the clubhouse. So club and house, compound word. Two words get together to make a compound word. Sentence number 10, even though it rained, I stayed dry in my waterproof jacket. So water and proof. So waterproof is a compound word. Moving to part B, write the spelling word that matches each definition below. 11, to go beyond a limit, overdo. So overdo, to go beyond a limit, to use something in excess or excessively, using something excessively. 12, an outdoor flame, campfire. So campfire, camp and fire. So this is outdoor flame. When you go on a camping trip and you lit a fire, it's called campfire. 13, a ruler for measuring, yardstick. So yard and stick make a compound word. 14, a baby just born, newborn. So new and born, so newborn, baby. 15, hanging above, overhead. Over and head. So overhead make a compound word. 16. You, yourself. So your and self gets together to make a compound word, yourself. 17. A place to sleep. Bedroom. So bed and room make a compound word, bedroom. 18. Your mother's parent. So your mother's parent, it might be your father's parents, grandparents. So grand and parents. 19. Blizzard, snowstorm. Snow and storm, they get together to make one word, it's called snowstorm. And lastly, to attempt, undertake. To attempt means to try something out. Under and take. So undertake, to attempt, to try something. Homework, dear student, please complete the following pages as your homework. 102 and 103. Please look out at the top of the page that you would find inflectional endings on 102 page and inflectional endings on page 103. Thank you very much and have a nice day.